Hello amazing people, welcome to my YouTube channel The Colorful Me. It's me Rangoli Wag, and for today's video I'm going to share this beautiful festival glam makeup look. So this is a one brand makeup look. So this is a Swiss Beauty one brand makeup look, and I have said Swiss Beauty like 100 times in my video, but please don't mind, and without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start with priming our face, and for that I am using the Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. You can use your makeup fixer to prime your face. Makeup. So I have prepped my skin so freaking well, and I have also made a video on that. So if you have not watched that video yet, I'll link it in my description box. Do check that video out. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Shape My Brows. So I've got this new. So haul is coming very soon on my channel. So let's fill in our brows. I'm using this shade, this and this. Okay, so I'll add both the shades and I'll fill in my brows with the brush they have given in this palette, and this also has a full size mirror. So you also get a wax cream right here to set your brows properly on place. So let's do our eye makeup now. First I'm using the Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 04 medium beige. So I have two of this Swiss Beauty palette. So this is the most used one, and I wanted the black shade, but unfortunately I don't have the black shade. So firstly I'll dip into this brown shade. It hardly gives me any kind of fallout. So it doesn't look that pigmented because I have not built it up. So if you want to build it up more, you can, and you can make it look dark, but I am okay with the pigmentation that it is giving me right now. So I'll be back once I'm done with my another eye. And now I'm curling my lashes to use my mascara. So I'm using my mascara now. I've got this one also new. And this has given me a lot of volume, but it can't make my every single lash separate. I hope you can understand what I want to say. A clumsy kind of mascara, that is my first impression, because when I close my eyes I can feel that the lashes are sticking to each other. So that is what I didn't like about this mascara, but overall it is a good mascara. You can see it has given me quite a good volume, and you can get this mascara if you want like volume lashes, like you proper lifted lashes if you want. So you can get this. So kajal and primer is the only thing I don't have in all the products, like in all Swiss Beauty products. So for kajal I'm using the eyeshadow. So this is a hack I have saw on someone's YouTube channel. I don't actually remember on which YouTube channel I have saw this hack. So if I remember it, either I'll mention it on screen or I'll link it in description box. I'll link the channel in the description box, but I'm sorry if I didn't remember. And we'll use the kajal in our waterline. So I'm using this dark brown shade because I don't have the brown one, but sorry, I don't have the black one, but I really wanted to use the brown one only. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And I'm not going to do that on my upper waterline. So yes, and if I have smoked a lot of eyeshadow, so definitely this thought is going to come in my mind to take a wing out like this. So now let's do our face makeup, and for that I'm using this foundation. So I've already sprayed some setting spray on my face. So let's use the foundation. So I have this foundation from quite a long time now, and when I started my YouTube channel, I remember I used to use this foundation only, and it is not a high coverage foundation, but let's blend it and just see how it looks. Don't skip your neck. And ears as well. So now I'm using my same concealer which I used on my eyelid. So now I'm going to use my setting powder. So this is the Swiss Beauty Prime and Mattifying powder. So this is so freaking mattifying powder, so I have not used it on my eyelids. So I'll suggest you not to use this on your eyelid, because your makeup you can't just make it more pigmented. So I have experienced this before, so I'm telling you guys. But you can definitely set your face because it's super mattifying. So I'm using this brush, and let's just use it under eyes. And also one tip that don't use this powder way too much, because it will make your skin so much whitish. Now I will use this shade to do my nose bronzing. Now let's use our blush. This is super new, I've never ever used it. This is my first time I'm using it. So let's use it. So you also get a full size mirror, and I want to use this and this. I'll add this 2 shades and I'll use it. This mirror is super clean. Then this one. Of course you will feel, of course यार ये क्या बता रही है, अभी न्यू है तो क्लीन ही होगा ना मिरर. So this look is going to turn out really beautiful. That is what I feel. always love watching like one brand makeup videos, and I have also got many requests to make a one brand makeup video, and Swiss Beauty is probably one of my favorite brands, so I thought I have lot of products from Swiss Beauty and let's buy some few more which I don't have, and let's just create a look using all the Swiss Beauty makeup products. Also using my highlighter on my brow bones and in the inner corners. So our last step is our lipstick, and I'm using this Swiss Beauty Bullet lipstick. So this is a 222 hot nude lipstick. So this is a mauvey pinky kind of shade, nude mauvey pinky shade. So let's apply our lipstick, and this has like a really creamy formula. So this is how my lipstick looks like. And now I'm using my makeup fixer to fix my makeup. I have saw many of the bloggers have problem with the smell, and I'm not pretending to be the one who don't like, but actually if you see, if you have this fixer, you can really smell it, that it has a like strong fragrance, and once you smell it you can feel the irritation in your nose. That is what, okay, so that is what I feel. So by this I have completed my makeup look, and let's see our final look.
Ooh.